Hey guys, it's Marwan again. I'm your sales consultant at Steele Hyundai Halifax. Today I'm going to talk about this vehicle here. It's the 2022 Elantra Preferred Tech. Stay tuned. So let's take a quick look here of the 2022 Elantra Preferred Tech. Just want to show you how it looks like from the outside. It looks really nice. The Hyundai did a really good job with the designing this vehicle. Just want to show you how it looks like from the back. There you go. Just an all-around quick video here before we get to some details. After I showed you a quick look about the vehicle from the outside, I also want to talk about some features from the outside. So you got your blind spots actually from both sides right here to avoid collision. You got your 16-inch all-season tire, as you can see, and you got this how it looks like from the back side, from the trunk. I want to show you a cool feature. So let's say you're coming out from Walmart or Sobeys out holding a lot of stuff and your key in the pocket. You just walk towards the trunk, stay for about 5 seconds, and it pops all right open, so you don't have to take your keys out of your pocket. Easy as that. Let's close that real quick. But also got the keyless entry. So as you can see, you just go through it. You don't have to take your key out. Press that, unlocks the car real quick. So after showing you a couple of details from the outside, I want to take a quick look and show you a couple of features from the inside. So guys, after we took a quick look from the vehicle, how it looks from the outside, I want to show you how it looks from the inside. I want to start it up. So you got your push start button here, press on the brake, click on it, and your vehicle will start. You got your steering wheel that has a couple of features. I will explain that in a bit. You got your 8-inch touchscreen compatible with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. I will also show you how that works as well. So I want to talk about some of the features here. You got your menu button here. So if you click on that, it'll show different specs. You got your driver assistant, lights, doors, sound, all type of stuff. So your driver assistant, if you click OK, you got your warning timing, volume, driver attention, forward safety, lane safety, even blind spot safety, what we talked about, because this car comes with blind spot avoidance for collision. If we go back, you got your lights. You can set it up to auto, so you don't have to worry about turning on or off the light. It'll do everything for you. This button here, it's called right here, it's called the lane keep assist. So what that does is that make sure the car stay between the lanes, so to avoid collision, and like not make it go left or right. And that's the dashboard. It has your temperature control. You can control it. It has your fan speed right here, and as well comes with a heated steering wheel. That's a beautiful feature in this vehicle. If you press on that, and you know Canada can get really cold, it'll heat up your steering wheel to feel cozy. Also come with 3-level front seat heated seats as well. And this is the gear shift. I like this design a lot. It fits your hand perfectly. They did a really good job on that design. You got your drive mode, so I'll show you how that works. So if you click on that, your drive mode will pop up. You got your normal, sport, or smart mode. Comes with 3 different features as well. And it got your parking camera. So instead of shifting to reverse, you just press on that and your camera will pop up, and it's nice and clear. It also comes with a sunroof. So right now I want to show you how the Android Auto works. Stay tuned. So guys, this is how the screen will look like when you're connected to Android Auto. I'm using Android just because I have Samsung right now. You got your maps, your Spotify, you got your phone, you know, your recent calls, your contacts, calendar, messages, so you don't have to actually use your phone at all while driving. If you scroll down, you got your, like, I have Telegram, my WhatsApp, and my Microsoft Teams. It's really nice. Thanks for watching this video. Again, it's Marwan, your sales consultant at Steele Hyundai Halifax. If you want to take this vehicle for a test drive, please reach me at 902-454-1000. Ask for my name. Again, it's Marwan. Have a good day.